The easiest way I found to put on the Tyvek suits is to roll them down a little bit, get the arms and everything down so you can get your legs in. And I like to find something to support myself on and put it on one leg at a time. But important to get the right size suit also. I like to use mine a little bit larger. This is a 4X, so I have a little more room to move in when you're squatting up and down.
Now these have the attached booties. Is that what you recommend?
Yes, they have the attached booties. You can buy them with or without booties. I like to have the attached booties just for the extra protection along our feet. I'm gonna get it pulled up to my waist. I'm gonna put my arms in and pull up and over my shoulders. I want to keep the sleeves down as far as I can because that's where your base layer of gloves are going to go. And I like to tell people it's like when you were a kid, your mom was putting on your layers of coats on in the wintertime. Hold it down here with your little finger. Work your hand in there. Now, I've got at least 2 inches of my biosuit coming down to here. So that gives me my layer of protection here. Once I get the glove on, I'm going to put kind of a seal with duct tape. Part on the glove, part on the suit. And I like to wrap it around a couple times. And then roll it on. That's my base layer of protection. I will put at least 2 more pair of gloves on. That way if something happens to one of the gloves, I can peel it off. I still have 2 layers. But I never want to compromise my final layer, because that's the only thing standing between you and whatever hazard you're working with. And then again, I'm going to take my tape and take my glove and my suit together.
Is this just standard duct tape?
This is just everyday good old duct tape. Okay, there's my base layer, and I'll follow it up with at least 2 more layers. One more to finalize it. So I've got 3 gloves, but I'm only counting 2 because the bottom layer, my 3rd layer, is the one I never want compromised.
So is it common to run into different types of sharps when you're cleaning these jobs?
It is. You know, anything that will penetrate your PPE is a sharp, and when you're dealing with the unknown, I mean, it could be a straight pin, it could be just any number of things, staple. So I always just like to have the extra protection. And like I say, if my glove's getting too bad of shape, all I have to do is reach down, peel one off, and I know I've got at least another layer to go before I get to my base layer.